Welcome to the Spotify Tools page in Release Organizer. Here, you'll find a set of handy tools for your Spotify profile. The first one is the Popularity Checker, where you can view your own or any other artist's Spotify popularity score. If you're on a paid plan, you'll also see their top tracks, along with the popularity rating for each. Next, we have the Spotify Canvas Generator. Just upload your image, choose one of the available templates, and click Generate Canvas. And voila, your canvas is ready for download. And that's the overview of the Spotify Tools page. See you in the next tutorial.